What's going on, guys? It's Steph here, man. Back with another quick video. This video was inspired by one of my favorite YouTubers, Lamar Wilson. Put the video description up there. And it's the brand new year, man. We start off by getting everything clean for us here. Let's go ahead and do the hashtag clean22. 2021 was a really good year for us, and we got a chance to pick up some really cool things, man. Let's show you some of the stuff we were able to unbox for you all and show you what we were able to do. So here we go, guys. We had a lot of stuff that we were able to unbox, and we're just going to throw it all in our recycler here, man. Gotta keep it cool when it comes to recycling, bro. That's what we got to do, man. Let's get it. And it is a freezing 22 degrees out here, guys. Show you some of the cool things we were able to unbox. Remember our AirTags video? Did a couple of those. All the different flavors of our Apple Watches here, man. And even a brand new Apple Watch. Make sure you all stay subscribed and tuned in, because we're gonna have a lot more giveaways in the years and days to come. I think I'm wearing this cobalt blue one now. So a lot of cool things we were able to do. Some of the stuff I unboxed for you all, I didn't actually make the video for, but we went ahead and did the Ring, some Apple TVs, the new 4K ones and stuff like that. And we're gonna just go ahead and recycle all this stuff here. Brand new iPad with the iPad keyboard and stuff like that, man. Brand new Apple Pencil. It's actually the same Apple Pencil. I just got a new one for you all. New iPhones, accessories, and then this controller. Doohickey if you like to game. I love to game. Apple saw a lot of money from me this year, so let's keep that trend going with being able to spend more, recycle more, and do more, okay? Then we got the Xbox controller, or the headset. This is one of my favorite videos I did for you all. Didn't do this one, the Ember Cup, but I'll tell you, man, I absolutely love this cup. I really do. This is by far the most popular video on the channel yet. This Xbox Dace Camo Strike controller. We went ahead and did the AirPods Max, man. Take these things to the max, yo. That was pretty cool. Did that for you all. OG HomePod, that was pretty cool. Got some more Ring accessories, the HomePod Mini, and a bunch of other stuff, controllers, or what's this, an adapter, AirPods Pro Max box, or AirPods Pro box. And then the MagSafe Duo, man, this was super cool. Got a chance to do this. Now, one of the cool things I'm definitely gonna do is recycle this bad boy right here. I went up on eBay, man, and someone reached out to me from the channel and offered me $400 for this empty box. I'm pretty sure they were gonna try to do a Wish scam or something on you guys. I'm not with the scam life, man, so I wanna go ahead and make sure I recycle this so I won't get clunked over the head just for the box. But man, that's pretty much it. I wanted to tell you all thank you. Oh, you know what, and case right here too. I wanted to tell you all thank you. Let's go ahead and recycle all this stuff, and then let's get the year going off right with some more videos, some more cool things from Apple, Android, and anything else that I can get my hands on this year. Again, man, thanks for tuning into the channel. Until the next video, man, let's get it. This is Steph. Guys, let's go ahead, man. Let's hashtag that clean22, man. That's clean22, and let's go ahead. And this time, what I'm gonna do, you saw me got rid of all the stuff that I unboxed and reviewed for you all this year, or last year, as we should say. But let's go ahead, and I want to challenge two of my favorite YouTubers. Let's go ahead and challenge the man, the myth, the legend, Mr. Marquise Brownlee. See what he would like to throw away for clean22. And then one of my favorite consumers, your average consumer, go ahead, and I'm challenging you all to go ahead and participate in the Clean22 challenge, and go ahead and let's get this recycling going, man. Better future, better tomorrow starts today. Thank you all very much for tuning to the channel. And again, to the next video, let's get it.